what's up guys? So it's a different day because I got really busy last night. So I went out and bought some sockets and star bits that I need to attempt to take off my cylinder head on the blown motor to figure out obviously why it was blown, and to show everybody that has an ST to be careful with certain things so you don't start blowing cylinders out of the block and such things like that. I mean, mine's not, but I'm just saying just in case you do. Also, there was like a car meet and stuff. I didn't go to it. This has honestly been my only day off, and this is why I uploaded that one YouTube video where I was basically explaining why my uploads are gonna start slowing down because I'm gonna be working too much. But I'm trying to get as much content out there as possible. You know, you gotta start somewhere, and it's just gonna be harder for me. But honestly, it's not gonna be like an excuse to not upload. You know what I mean? Or not. It's not uploading. That's the easy part, but getting content. So. Alright, well, now that I got everything, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off right here. Alright, then I gotta adjust this to take off some, like 2 more 8mm bolts down there to get this shit off, to get the timing cover off. And then I gotta take out those Torx bits in there, and the cams and the timing chain and all that. So just got these loose, 8mm for the timing cover. I took that off, which is right there. Now I need to bust this fucking thing off, the cover, and then get this shit off. So I just used a flathead to pop that off. Oh wow, there's a lot of oil spewing out of there. Yikes. Fuck. It's obviously not good, but got that off. So let's take a look at this bad boy. I'm gonna have to take that off. I'll take that off right now, actually. There's a lot of water in this thing, so take that. Looks like there's another one right here. So this is, looks like the tensioner right here. I'm not a mechanic, so I'm learning here. So, that right there. Let's take that off. That was easy. The other parts, looks like the chain, looks like all this shit. What is that, another 10mm? It's like, ooh, a piece of candy. Oh shit, shit is really flying off now. Oh, yeah, I don't know. Got the chain off. Just like that, with ease. Looks like my camera. There you go. Now you can see. Cool. Got this off. This has been my biggest deal. Now we got the cams. Pretty sure it'll just pop out like so. Throw that in there. So I'm not obviously saving this motor because this was the one that blown. But take that one out. And now we're left with this shit. So I need to get this bit ready to get all this stuff out. Ooh. And then so I don't know what those are torqued to. Those right there. So I'm gonna have to obviously get something more stronger, but I can take these out. I don't know what they're called. I'm not a mechanic. Mechanic. But yeah, this is just trash, this whole motor, because it blow. It blow. The motor, it blow. Where do you think you're going? Assuming those are called a cap of some sort. Springs. Yeah. Looks like they're springs. Valve springs. That's what they would be for the valve. Yeah. So I gotta figure out how to take these out. I have the thing for it, but these things are fucking torqued insane amount. So looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 of them. So the good news is I was actually able to get them out. And if you're wondering how, when I don't have the proper tools here, is I do have the star bit, but I needed leverage to get it off. So I used that big ass piece of pipe. And these things, I don't know what the fuck they're torqued to, but that right there makes your life a lot easier. So I'm going to show you how I did it, just in case you guys are wondering how you can do it and save money, because I only spent 20 bucks, literally. So I'm going to flip this screen so you can see. There. So I'm gonna put this on it, have it angled like this, so actually probably like that. And then I'm gonna grab this pipa, just put it on here, and just slowly walk it. Hear that break? That's the bolt. See? Then it comes off just like so. Makes your life so much easier. It's like that. As you can see, I got it loose. Do it with one hand. Just like that. Bam. Take this off real quick. Quickly, just put it back on there and spin it out. See, sometimes you don't need the most expensive tools in the world to get shit done. You're always gonna compromise, figure something out on how to get this stuff out. Now, if you're an actual mechanic watching this, yeah, I'm not a mechanic. I just want to get this fucking cylinder head off so I can see why this cylinder right here cost me thousands and thousands of fucking dollars. So yeah, get it all loose, and then just, bam, comes out just like that. So I'm going to do that to the rest. Well, guys, it was a fucking bitch getting those fucking things off with that bar, because that broke, and the fucking extension broke, but these I already broke loose. As you'll see here, coming off. Man, I would hate to be a mechanic, but at the same time I'd love it, because then you can do work for yourself. Take these fuckers out. It's starting to actually get dark. That's how long I've been out here. I just really want to see why my motor blew. So yeah, it looks like everything's off. I'm probably gonna have to tap this off to get it off, and then yeah, it's gonna be sick. Alright, so I broke it loose. I'm gonna finally take it off like so. There it is. As you can see there, everything. Finally got it off. Damn. And there we go. That is why my fucking motor blew. Oh my god. So yeah, we did a compression test. And as you can see, the piston wasn't reading back any compression because of that right there. That little thing right there has cost me thousands and thousands of dollars, and this thing is sounded like a Subaru, and that's how you know, obviously, when that stuff happens. You can see my pistons are filled with water or whatever. These were actually good, all three of these are good, but when we tested for compression, this was the bad one. So we determined it was either a bad valve or a piston, and as you can see, it was a bad piston ring. So I don't think I'm going to take the bottom off because there's a bunch of water in there, or maybe, I don't know, we'll see. But this right here was fucking stupid to get off. And then if you look at the valves, we thought it was a bad valve, so we'll check it. Nope, looks like all the valves are good. Or we thought it was a burnt valve. These all look good right here. They're clean. Yeah. I don't see anything wrong. But at the same time, I probably don't know what I'm looking at either. This is the culprit. Said I wasn't going to, but I am. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off this oil pan because there's actually no oil in it, so I don't gotta worry. Got that off. There's a lot of these bolts right here holding the oil pan in. They're really in there. Yeah. That one's really in there. That one was in there. Shit. Man, there's a lot of fucking bolts. You know that? A lot of bolts. Just for a fucking oil pan. That's crazy. That one came out easy. Not that one. Battery's dying. That one was easy. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna end it right here. I just wanted to take that off, see what it looks like. But thanks for subscribing, like, comment. I'll see you guys later. So I actually did end up taking this off just to see. Very interesting. I'm a very curious person, as you can see. So looks like those are where the pistons connect into. That's pretty cool. I think this is the balance shaft or some shit. I don't know.